Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw USDT from Coinbase Wallet to Binance. It's pretty easy to get this done. All you need to do is make sure your USDT is available on your Coinbase Wallet, as the USDT would exist in different networks ranging from the Solana network to the BNB Smart Chain to Ethereum, Arbitrum, and many other networks that are available with the Coinbase. So now, in order to send this cryptocurrency out of your Coinbase wallet into the Binance platform, click on the send icon you find and now select the cryptocurrency. So let's say we have some USDT here we wish to send. All you need to do is enter an amount that you wish to send and simply click on next. By selecting this next, you're going to be needing Matic or any cryptocurrency to perform the transaction, and then an address. So to get all of this, minimize and open up your Binance application. Now, with the Binance platform opened up, you must have an account on Binance. If you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify. So guys, you've got a verified account, you wish to deposit some USDT on your Binance, simply click on the deposit icon here. Once you've selected deposit, simply search for USDT and select the network. So if you remember, we were working with the Polygon USDT. So click on the Polygon, copy your Polygon address, that's your wallet address, minimize and open up the Coinbase wallet. And with the wallet opened up, paste it. Once you've pasted the address, simply click on next. And by selecting next, you could easily send the tokens from your Coinbase wallet into the Binance platform, whilst covering the gas fee using your local cryptocurrency. So if you do not have the local cryptocurrency being the Polygon token, use the buy icon at the top left to simply buy using your credit card. So you could just select the network being the Polygon and buy the Matic token, and you'd get some Polygon Matic on your wallet. So guys, once you've sent your USDT from the Coinbase wallet, minimize and open up the Binance platform. And with the Binance platform opened up, head to the wallet section at the bottom right, and you'd find that your cryptocurrency has successfully been deposited on Binance. So guys, that's how you can easily send your USDT from the Coinbase wallet to Binance. Do comment down below if you have a question concerning how you can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.